Ladies and gentlemen, we got a nice family in the back here. What a terrible intro. Today we're going to Woodward. We're meeting up with Mike with B10 M6. Beautiful evening. Just washed the car. It's looking magnificent. I wanted to talk to you guys about the S4 today. So I figured why not do a nice little drive on the way to Woodward, because it is 67 degrees. It's finally not 99 degrees. I was melting all last week with the heat, but we've got some beautiful weather and no plans. So for Friday night, that means we are going out and about, gonna see some supercars, gonna see some fun stuff, I hope. But I wanted to talk to you guys on this little drive about the S4 because I haven't done a video on it in a long time, and it almost feels like I've been cheating on the car a little bit doing all this BMW content. I know the last video I uploaded was Stan's beautiful F80 M3 competition. I'm gonna go no-handed here for a second, get a little shade on my face, get the lighting a little better. The F80 M3 competition, Verde Mantis, such a beautiful, such a good car. That video was really fun to do and film last week with him, and then obviously with Carson's car, the other F80 M3 comp. We've done some content on that as well. Didn't get as much in as I wanted to because I was on vacation, so I was kind of just in chill mode, not like work mode. The BMW content has been aplenty on the channel here recently. The X3M competition, holy cow, I can't see now. The X3M competition that Evan bought also, I did a video on. I said it was the Audi A5 replacement. He is loving the car. It's the S58. Basically a G80. Car's awesome for him. It's beautiful blue, reminds me of my old car. My point is, the S4 has not gotten the love it deserves here on the channel. So I took a minute to just really wash the car, make it beautiful. Now we're kind of taking it on a little date, taking it on a little ride down Woodward. We're gonna park up, maybe get some pictures, see what Mike's up to tonight. This, I can't film in this lighting. I'm gonna wait until I'm like, I apologize for this lighting, folks. Funny, I was just mentioning Stan's car. He just texted me because I put up my story. I'm like, yo, I'm going to go to Woodward after this car wash. Stan's going to be at Woodward. Mike's going to be at Woodward. So I'm hanging out with all the BMW M boys. I can't avoid it. No, of course I'm kidding. Love those guys. But it is a beautiful night, man. It's just too good. Too good. Up. I don't know what we're honking at here. Everybody's freaking deadlock traffic. I don't know who's mad at what. But ladies and gentlemen, the S4 has been absolutely amazing. We just hit 54,000 miles on the dash and on the car. So we just took it on a little road trip. Like I said, I was on vacation. I took the car up north to Traverse City when I was back home for a bit. Ripped around, did some spirited driving. Just a dandy old time enjoying the car, man. Everybody asked me, they're like, what are you gonna get next? What car are you looking to buy next? I don't have an answer. And like sometimes I do kind of window shop on like Car Gurus and Auto Trader and whatever. I look at cars and I ask, and people are like, you should buy this, you should buy this. And yeah, it's tempting to shop because like there are so many good cars out there at like a decent price point. Market's kind of coming down. Then I wash my car and I look at it in the right lighting and I'm like, what's the point of picking up a prostitute when you got a 10 at home who cooks you food? I hope that analogy isn't lost on you folks. The S4 is the 10 who makes you food, who is reliable, who's there. But that clapped G80 might be that girl from Miami who looks nice and might be fun, but she's not the one for you. All right, we're getting too deep. We are on Woodward and we are about to take a little lap. I think I'm gonna go up to 16 Mile and then flip around, park up, and then I gotta get some steps in, man. I'm trying to be active. I'm trying to be healthy. You guys have probably seen my Instagram stories. I'm biking, I'm walking, I'm running, get some steps in and do a little car spotting, see what is out tonight. Sun is just about maybe an hour and a half from setting, so we got prime time here. Let's do it. I have already seen 3 people pulled over today. I do not want to be the 4th, so I'm gonna put my phone down while I'm driving through Birmingham, dude. They are out to get people tonight. I don't want to give them any reasons. Supra! I feel like there's gonna be a lot of stuff out. I like. But that's her. That's what I'm telling you. That's the girl from Miami who's gonna try and steal your eye. G80s, man, those are nice cars. That caught my eye. Had to turn around, take another peek. I'm just going for a walk, man. Get some steps in. Look at that, dude. That is sick. This is a pretty popular corner. I might sit here for a second. Jeez. Oh, there's that again. Keeps following me, man. Nice little lineup over there. 992. Pretty. Next to the 996. One, two, three, four. That's a lot of stings. Whoa, that color looks completely different in the sun. Is that the M5 or is that a lower trim 5 Series? No, it's the M5. That is indeed the M5, ladies and gents. Weighs 17,000 pounds. Quite the lineup we got here. Jeez, this is the average night on Woodward though. When it's Friday in the summer, like this is just what you get. You got M5, Vet, ZL1, Camaro, Hellcat, 8 Series, what is that, M850, Grand Coupe, TRX, Camaro, some sort of SRT, Z06, M3, another one. Like, jeez, this is the stuff I love, man. Just coming out here, hanging out. This is gonna be me when I'm 100 years old. Just me and my crew posted up with lawn chairs. I mean, we do that now, basically. Got to shout out the B8.5, love it. Clean looking B9.5 also. Sorry, it's shaky, I'm walking. That is funny, I like that. I see you everywhere. I see you seeing me. Oh, it's so good. It has the loudest exhaust I've ever heard on a GT3. I can't wait to listen to the GT3. I was just telling the camera, Mike, you see so many G80s and stuff in like in the Metro Detroit area, and just in like Instagram and like the clout in general. The forgotten beauties of the past are really the pinnacle of like BMW M cars. It's a freaking V10. It's nuts.
It's good.
Right? Oh man. Look how low this car is. Look at the rear fit on this thing. Look at the front wheel. That is banana. I love a good white McLaren, dude. 720. Hugo's always on Woodward. I'm surprised I haven't seen him yet. Oh, there's Stan. That car looks familiar, huh, folks? The Lamborghini. Literally just said Hugo's name and summoned him. That's how that works, actually. A little secure orange F80. Yeah, baby. See this caddy all the time too. It is so low. That's sweet. Serato. I don't know if it's because people see the camera, but I love when people give an extra little rip, dude. CR1, ladies and gents, there it is. Yeah, it is loud. That's got to have an exhaust. I know Lambos are loud, but it feels like it's got a little extra spice to it, a little extra seasoning. So cool. Dude, it's nice. It's got a V10 rumble. It's subtle. Oh yeah. This is it, ladies and gents. This is a beauty. All my boys are getting M cars, and as a car guy, I love that for them. I'm so happy and proud. Everybody's leveling up and doing their own thing. It makes it really easy to start window shopping and think, man, I would love to get something like that. But at the same time, you got to look at what you have, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to beat off a dead horse by saying this 10 times in a row, but as a car guy too, it is extremely difficult not to just shop for cars all the time. I'm on Zillow, I'm on Car Gurus, and I have a house, I have a car. And the fun part about the S4 is it's not slow. So it's not like I just want a faster car. You guys probably saw my Instagram post where my buddy Logan took my car and launched it, and the smile on his face just made my whole week. Like, it was just amazing. Because I don't really beat the crap out of my car. I don't launch it every day. I don't know, maybe I could drive it a little harder, a little more fun. But for the most part, I just commute, drive, and enjoy the car on a day-to-day basis. But like, seeing somebody that's not used to like the power level, I mean, it's a 480 horsepower car. It's quick, it's all-wheel drive. The launch is fast. 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60. Seeing him launch my car, just like seeing him smile ear to ear, it was just amazing. It is so freaking funny. I was like, dude, I was rolling past my dash cam clips in my phone, and I just see the thumbnail on one of them. He was grinning like a child. And I was like, all right, what did you do? What did you do? This car is fun. This car is amazing. And it's all around just a beast. People ask me if the S4 is reliable. Absolutely yes. People ask me if the S4 is a car they should get for a daily driver. That person almost just hit me. The answer is yes. I was standing next to Mike's car too. I was just like, dude, these cars are freaking gorgeous. He was saying he was on the edge of like maybe selling the car and consolidating his 2 cars into 1 car. We were just looking at our cars and like, dude, why would we get rid of them? You know, they're perfect. Editor Kevin here. I'm keeping it forever. I love the car. I don't know. I don't have a plan to sell it, but thank you guys for watching. Just a fun little kind of impromptu video. Weather was beautiful. Went out to Woodward, hung out with some friends, enjoyed a nice little night drive with the S4. Thank you guys so much. We just hit 30,000 subscribers on the channel. It means so much to me. Absolutely mind-blowing that you guys support this and what I do. It makes it easier to post these videos where I just kind of like do nothing but chill, and you guys still watch and enjoy. So I appreciate the support. Like the video for the algorithm. Subscribe if you guys are new. Let's hit 40K. Let's hit 50K. Let's hit 100K. Until the next one, ladies and gents, we'll see you.